It looks like a luxury SUV dipped in liquid obsidian. But here's the twist. This all-black beast comes in under 35 grand and out-techs models twice the price. Welcome back to the channel where the details matter, where form meets function, and where we separate trend from true innovation. Today, we're sinking into the shadows with the 2025 Hyundai Tucson in a finish Hyundai calls bright black. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't some flat paint job trying to play it safe. This Tucson oozes drama, confidence, and a whole lot of unexpected capability. Let's be honest, the compact SUV segment is flooded. But while most competitors are polishing old blueprints, Hyundai's rewriting the chapter. The 2025 Tucson isn't just a mid-cycle refresh. It's a total recalibration of how far you can push design, tech, and refinement in an affordable package. One look at this thing, and you'll get it. The bright black paint is more than glossy. It's mirror-like, pulling in reflections with a depth that makes the bodywork feel alive. Paired with Hyundai's stealthy parametric grille, LED DRL fangs integrated into the fascia, and new 20-inch dark chrome alloys, this Tucson walks the line between concept car and daily driver with eerie precision. Under the hood, you've got a choice: a refined 2.5L gas engine for the purists, or a hybrid system that blends punch and efficiency with surprising finesse. We spent most of our time in a hybrid, and it doesn't disappoint. The system pairs a turbocharged 1.6L with an electric motor to produce a combined 226 horsepower, enough to hustle this SUV to 60 in the low 7-second range, all while returning over 38 MPG combined. But where this Tucson really pulls ahead is in the drive feel. Hyundai's retuned the suspension for 2025, offering a more composed, European-style ride. It's taut without being harsh, agile yet stable. Steering is light but precise. Add in the standard all-wheel drive system on hybrid trims. And this crossover doesn't just manage bad weather, it welcomes it. Inside, things get shockingly upscale. We're talking available Nappa leather, brushed aluminum accents, ambient lighting that feels pulled from a Genesis playbook, and dual 12.3-inch panoramic displays integrated behind a single curved glass panel. Hyundai's UI is fast, clean, and, finally, intuitive. Voice commands respond without hiccups. The native navigation is usable, and the integration with CarPlay and Android Auto is wireless, seamless, and responsive. But here's the part that blew us away. Hyundai's new driver assist suite, now standard across all trims. We're talking adaptive cruise with lane centering, blind spot camera view, forward collision avoidance with junction assist, stuff that's optional or unavailable in many luxury competitors. And yes, it works really well. Smooth, smart, unobtrusive. Another subtle but brilliant touch? The acoustic glass and enhanced sound insulation. Close the doors and you're sealed in. Road noise, engine hum, wind, they vanish. This isn't just quiet for its class. It's genuinely premium-level serenity. Cargo space? Class-leading. Rear legroom? Adult-friendly. Fold flat seats, hands-free tailgate, a smart key that lets you move the car forward or back remotely. Yeah, that's real. So what's the catch? Honestly, not much. If anything, the Tucson's biggest challenge is perception. People still associate Hyundai with budget-first thinking, but that mindset's a generation out of date. The 2025 Tucson is a vehicle built with confidence, with boldness, and with a feature set that dares you to compare it side by side with a Lexus NX, a Toyota RAV4 Prime, or even a Volvo XC40. Hyundai isn't just competing anymore. They're swinging hard and aiming high. The bright black Tucson is proof that mainstream doesn't have to mean mediocre, and affordable doesn't have to mean anonymous. So what do you think? Is the Tucson finally the one to dethrone the usual suspects, or is this just flash-over function? Drop your thoughts below. We read every comment. And if you're loving these deep dives into the vehicles changing the game, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with someone still shopping in 2019. Because the future of the SUV, it's not silver, it's not white, it's bright black.